Hello, welcome to online lecture of Advanced Surveying. In this lecture, we are learn about remote sensing. System of remote sensing. There are two systems, active system and passive system. Let's see the active system. The system in which irradiance from artificially generated energy source like radar is used is called as active system of remote sensing. Passive system, the system in which the sun and earth's material is used as a natural source so as to radiate electromagnetic energy of variable wavelength is called as passive system of remote sensing. Application of remote sensing. Silting of storage reservoir and harbors. Remote sensing technique that makes use of satellite imagery gives idea about the silting of reservoir qualitatively and to some extent quantitatively. Location of percolation tank. The exact location of percolation tank can be carried out with the help of remote sensing technique. Keeping in view that the site required for location of percolation tanks should be on permeable foundation. Revision of existing topo sheets. The rapid revision and updating of existing topo sheet can be carried out speedily with the help of aerial photography and satellite imagery. Alignment of new highways and railway routes. The location of most economical alternative sites for such works can very well be carried out speedily by making use of aerial photographs and satellite imagery. Location of bridge site. The existing foundation condition along the proposed bridge construction site can be ascertained with the help of aerial photographs and or satellite imagery. Location of dam. For gravity geological investigation of the existing rock in and around the proposed dam site can be carried out by aerial photographs and or satellite imagery. Geological features such folds, faults, decays, fracture, etc. can be determined by the remote sensing technique. Tunneling. Remote sensing, that is aerial photography and or satellite imagery of area, helps in furnishing all such information and thus ensures the safety of tunnel during the construction stages. Seepage losses in canal. Monitoring of soil moisture in and around the canal system can be possible by remote sensing technique, that is by careful study of aerial photographs and satellite imagery of such areas. Thank you very much.